Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Vaidehi and today we are going to discuss about make word from given letters. If you are giving competitive exam or even if you are playing scrambles and if face difficulty while making word, then solution is here. For finding appropriate word from given letters, there are some tricks which we are going to discuss. So first is start small by scanning. Find the word for prefix and suffix and then writing letters in different combinations. Okay, so second point is pair letters that appear together frequently. Scan the letters for the letters that frequently appear together in words. Look for the pairs like CH, SH, PH or TION. Join these combinations down on a piece of paper. They may be a key part of the final word. Find prefix and suffix. Look for common prefix and suffix in your words. Common prefix includes things like UN, NON, BI, CO, and so on. Common suffixes include things like ed, ing, er, ate, out of a number of prefix and suffixes and play around with them while experimenting with different word combinations. Prefixes or suffixes may belong to a specific word or sentence. For example, if you have the letter N, U, O, W, N, K, N, notice the prefix UN. You can spell the word unknown. So, take another example. Prepare meaningful word from letters R, E, N, U, S, O, G. So, write letters in many different combinations. If you are confused, just start making as many combinations as you can. So, I am going to start to write down different combinations. N, O, G, E, R, U. No, this is not a word. After reading this word, I am bit confused. Uh, is this a word or not? No, this is not a word, but we are so much close. So, second point is pair letters together randomly in the form of 2, 3, or even 4 until something looks familiar. Okay. Pair of the consonants with vowels. Uh, So after trying, I am combining word which can be. So yes, this is our answer. So it is surgeon. Here I spell SER. So I am close to SUR. Okay. Here I have used word ON. So ON. So I have combined all the possibilities and then I have made word surgeon. Okay. Thank you.